In this Class 51 of our medium-level refrigeration and air conditioning course, we are going to study the display equipment that works with R134a refrigerant gas. Let's start by saying that showcases are the best tool for displaying food while it is kept in optimal temperature conditions. The showcases have a refrigeration system that maintains a homogeneous temperature at any point in the exhibition area, without the risk of drying out the goods. They also have large display areas, and in many cases, with lift-up front windows for easy cleaning, as well as easy access to the front of the display area. As you can see, there are meat display cases or meat display cases, with a multitude of designs, finishes, sizes and colors. In the following diagram, we have the parts of a meat display case. 1. Upper evaporator, lower evaporator, expansion valve, download, defrost lines, sections, liquid receiver, heat exchanger knob, oil separator 10, compressor of, solenoid valves, peephole 3, dehydrator 14, condenser. Now my colleague Luis is going to show us the pressure values of the R134a refrigerant gas, usually used in display cabinets. Go ahead, Luis, with the explanation.
1. To reach a temperature of minus 20 degrees Celsius in the evaporator, equivalent to minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, a low gauge pressure of 0.32 bars is needed, equivalent to 4.70 psig or 32 kilopascals. In some cases it is useful to know the pressure of the equipment when it is turned off and the high pressure or of the condenser. Let's see them. 1. For an external environment temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, the equipment turned off at this temperature has a gauge pressure both high and low, according to the table of 6.70 bar, equivalent to 98.49 psig or 670 kilopascals. 2. For an outdoor environment temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, the condenser temperature is usually about 10 degrees Celsius above the environment where the equipment is located. Thus in the table, for 40 degrees C, about 104 degree F, the manometric pressure of high, in the condenser is 9.18 bar, equivalent to 134.94 psig or 918 kPa.
These are the main features of R134a that you should know about. 1. R134a does not harm the ozone layer. 2. R134a is not flammable, classified as A1. 3. R134a is not toxic, classified as lone. 4. R134a refrigerant gas has a global warming potential of 1430. 5. The R134a refrigerant has no slip. This means that its temperature remains constant during the phase change, as long as the pressure does not change. 6. R134a has great stability and compatibility with most materials. 7. R134a is a refrigerant that replaces R12 for automotive air conditioning and refrigeration and air conditioning equipment that requires an oil change. 8. R134a is widely used in domestic refrigerators. 9. The R134a refrigerant gas is widely used in screw and centrifugal chillers. 10. Widely used by the thermocane and Carrier companies in their refrigeration equipment for positive temperature transport. 11. Since R134a is a refrigerant with no mixed components, it can be charged in a liquid or gas state. 12. It is not necessary to turn the container with coolant or use the outlet of the liquid. 13. As the evaporator temperature value begins to drop, the charge by weight becomes more important. 14. R134a works with PO-type oil. 15. 11. R134a is not miscible with mineral and alkylbenzene type oils. 16. R134a in automotive air conditioning applications uses pad-type oil.